Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Mazda 3 SP25 sedan, stock reference number 4060. The shape runs from the 4th month 2009 through to the 10th month 2013. It has an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left power door mirror, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has 1 small dent. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left rear has a good tyre, left-hand tail light, left-hand boot lock garnish. It's got a tidy rear SP25 bar cover. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right hand boot garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents, as does the right front door. Right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, dual zone type, factory 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.